Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. In 2026, I hate to use the years, but I have to, because once we are dealing with the one big beautiful bill, I want to make sure you understand we're using the new law. A taxpayer places $5.2 million of qualifying Section 179 property in service. Now we're giving you the maximum for 2026 Section 179 deduction. The maximum is $2,560,000 and the phase out begins at $4,090,000. Now on the CPA exam, if they need you to know these figures, they will give you the figures. Not on the EA exam. In the enrolled agent exam, you might have to be familiar with those figures. On the CPA, if needed, they will be giving. On the EA, may or may not. In your college classroom, depending on the teacher. So before applying the business income limitation, what's the maximum allowable Section 179? So how do we compute this? We are told the maximum is $2,560,000, and that's one of the answer. Can we take $2,560,000? I hope you know we cannot take this number. Why? Because we placed in service $5.2 million, and the phase out is $4,090,000. So immediately we can do is I can take out A, because it's not going to be $2,560,000. Is it going to be $2,470,000? I would say I can also take this number out. Why? Because $2,470,000. If I'm on the CPA exam, this is what I will do strategically. I would say this number also very close to this number, and I know I am more than 90,000 from the phase out, right? So I can take out D as well. So on this, if you're working in a hurry on the CPA exam, take out A and D immediately. If you're left with 50-50, I don't know, then choose. But we can do this real quick. So what you will do, you would say, okay, I placed in service $5.2 million. The phase out is $4,090,000. So I placed approximately immediately. You can say I placed approximately. You don't even have to do the math. Approximately $1 million. Okay, I'm 1 million above. If I'm 1 million above, it means I'm going to be losing 1 million from the maximum amount. 1 million from the maximum amount is closer to B rather than C. So I would just cross out C and I will choose D. Notice I did even minimal computation. Now obviously you can do the full computation. You will take, okay, 5,200,000 minus 4,090,000 will give you 1,110,000. I told you it's going to be approximately a million. So I'll take my maximum deduction minus 1,110,000. I would have to lose, reduce the section reduce the 179 to 1,450,000. Therefore, my answer is 1,450,000. Approximately 1 million less than the maximum. Why? Because I purchased 1 million of assets more, approximately 1 million of assets more than the phase out. Now, what can you do? If you're using Farhat lectures, you can ask the AI to explain the answer choices, which is pretty explanatory. But if you want to, it can. You can explain it, or explain the topic overall. He's like, you know what? Why don't you take me through the explanation real quick? It will give you a summary of the explanation of the topic itself. And if you want to practice another question, just ask AI to create another similar question for you. What should you do now? Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, accounting students, enrolled agent, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself by going to Farhat lectures. Look at additional lectures, multiple choice, podcast, simulation, AI CPA questions and exercises. Invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.